Welcome to a remarkable 23-plus acre Tennessee timber estate in Kingsport, where authentic craftsmanship, rolling pastures, mature woods, and Mill Creek create a private retreat just minutes from Kingsport, Johnson City, Bristol, and I-26. With Tennessee having no state income tax, this property combines an exceptional East Tennessee lifestyle with an important financial advantage.
The residence immediately makes an impression, with hand-hewn eastern white pine timbers, soaring 22-foot ceilings, massive exposed beams, and a floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace anchoring the great room. Wide plank hickory floors, natural stone accents, and expansive wraparound decking complete the design while capturing beautiful views and unforgettable East Tennessee sunsets. The thoughtfully designed floor plan includes a private main-level owner's ensuite with dual walk-in closets, direct laundry access, and private outdoor entry. Upstairs, 2 spacious ensuite bedrooms each offer separate bonus storage. The walkout lower level is designed for entertaining, with a game room, wet bar, powder room, and covered patio featuring a wood-burning fireplace overlooking the surrounding landscape. Outside, the estate offers 5 beautifully maintained pastures, mature timber, wooded trails, flourishing gardens, a tranquil water feature, an enormous chicken coop, and approximately a quarter-mile of road frontage. Whether you're interested in equestrian pursuits, hobby farming, ATV or horseback riding, recreation, or a multi-generational family compound, the acreage offers exceptional flexibility, while Mill Creek adds another layer of natural beauty. A 30 by 40 workshop provides even more possibilities, with a heated and cooled studio apartment, separate utilities, and a current lease. It could also serve as a guest house, private office, creative studio, or income-producing space. Underground utilities, Spectrum Internet and TV, 2 HVAC systems, abundant storage, and a fully finished 3-car garage add modern convenience. With 23+ acres, authentic timber craftsmanship, pastures, mature woods, a creek, trails, and versatile outbuildings, this is an East Tennessee property designed for a lifestyle that is increasingly difficult to find.